Today I'm going to be unboxing the Sephora Play box. I received mine yesterday, which is kind of a little bit late in the month, for me at least. But this month I got some pretty good things, so I wanted to go ahead and share that. So of course you get your little pamphlet. The bag this month is a screen. I like to use these for things like when I'm traveling and stuff, but they're not really my favorite products. The perfume you got this month, because you get a perfume every month, it's one that we received many samples of. It is that Atelier cologne in the Clementine. I already threw away the little box for this, but the reason I'm kind of just whatever is I seriously have probably received a full-size bottle of this by now. I do like it. It kind of burns my skin when I use it, but I think the smell is nice. Obviously I haven't gone out and bought it just because I pretty much get a sample every other day. So that's that. The rest of the samples in this box I'm actually really excited for. This is a very good box. The first thing in here, let me get my paper out so I can tell you what they say. Right, the first product is this Ren Steady Ready Glow Daily AHA Tonic. I haven't really used much of this brand, so I'm not really sure. I don't really know anything about it actually. It just says use morning and night, apply to a cotton pad and swipe over your face, and it will help make your face glow. So we will see if that is correct, but I'm very excited to try this. This is a very generous size. I do believe you'll be able to get a fair, at least try to see if you like it. The next product I got, which is actually I think my second one I've received in the Sephora Play box, but it is the Shiseido Controlled Chaos Mascara. I haven't tried the first one, so I don't know if I like it, but I mean, it's a mascara. I can always use these. These don't really, I'm not gonna open it actually. These don't make me upset to receive these. I know a lot of people don't like getting mascara samples, but it actually keeps me really from buying mascara. I probably buy mascara maybe twice a year or more. If I'm trying to try a new product, I'll buy it, but I really don't have to ever buy mascara because I receive so many samples in my subscription boxes. So that again is not like my favorite product, but I'll definitely use that. So far we're 2-0. Does that mean 2 good, 0 bad? I'm not counting the perfume. So the next is this Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I know this has gone around on YouTube a lot. People either seem to really, actually I think most people like it. I don't know if I've even seen a negative review. I'm curious to try this because I do have drier skin, so I'm just curious to see if this will actually cling to those areas because it's supposed to make it sticky. And I'm also very weird about skin textures. I generally don't like my face to be tacky, so I don't know. But I am super excited to try this because I, again, haven't had a sample of it or anything or tried it. So this will be good. The next product is kind of like the mascara. It's not like an exciting product, but it's something that I definitely will get use out of. And it is a brightening cleanser by Indy Lee. I'm not sure if this is a new brand at Sephora because I've never heard of them. But again, a cleanser can always get used between me or my older kids. So it's supposed to strengthen and protect. Obviously some type of brightening agent, which I don't think you should really look at the claims on cleansers because they do stay on your face for such a short period of time that they're really not going to do much, is what I've been told, even by my dermatologist. You really just want a good ingredients in your cleanser, but as far as claims like it's going to brighten your skin, unless it's an exfoliant, I don't really see how it can really brighten besides remove your makeup and maybe they make you look fresh. I don't know, but cleansers generally won't change much to your skin and what's on it. So to that, I just think it's silly. But I do like a cleanser. This is a very good size to travel with, like a long weekend or maybe a week, depending on how much you use. But this I'm excited for. Again, so far all the products are very good. The next and last product is a Living Proof Perfect Hair Day shampoo. I do like I wish you would have gotten the conditioner with it because I like to try, shampoo and conditioners that generally go together. I have tried this before. I do know I like it or it's okay. I haven't ever bought a full size, so I don't know if that says anything, but I do enjoy it. I think these generally have like a peppery smell. Yeah. Oh, it's black. That's kind of neat. I don't think I've tried this one actually. Let's see what it says. Keep your hair cleaner. Use this non-stripping shampoo that removes buildup from product pollution and hard water. And it's like a black in color, so that is kind of neat. So I take that back. I have not tried this. Again, I think it's odd not to send a conditioner with it, just because usually products or brands recommend their products together. But again, I can use any conditioner I have. So I'm excited to try this now that I've seen it's kind of this blackish coal color. I guess it must have charcoal in it or something. It just says triple detox shampoo. Let it sit for 2 minutes before rinsing. So I'm excited. I use a lot of dry shampoo, so maybe this will help me get that buildup back out. But that is everything in my Sephora Play box for July. I am really pleasantly surprised. I think this is the second month in a row that I've been really happy with my Sephora Play box. Last month I got a highlighter, which I really like. I can't remember anything else, but I know I was very excited. I didn't share that one on here because I was on a trip, but I'm very excited for these. I think they are great boxes. I think the census is that people do not like the Sephora Play box. I can understand why, but I do think it is good. I use pretty much everything that I've gotten. I use the perfume samples when I travel, so it's not like those go to waste, but to me it's I can go to Sephora and ask for 2 of those, or I get sent some when I order from them. So I always just think that's a throw-in to me. But really everything I got this month, I will get use out of every single product, and that is very rare. So I think this month's box is definitely a thumbs up for me. So let me know if you get this box and what you get. I know there are so many variations to what you get. I don't think there's even like one product that's in everybody's box, but let me know if you know that. If you've tried these products, basically just anything. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.